Patio Ottomans are a versatile outdoor furniture item perfect for adding a touch of comfort and style to any backyard or patio. There are many products available to choose patio ottomans, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best patio ottomans from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Outdoor Patio Footstools Aluminum Outdoor Ottomans Footrest. The Deguify Outdoor Patio Footstools are a great addition to any outdoor space. Made from sturdy aluminum and resin textiline, these ottomans are lightweight, durable, and comfortable. They are ergonomically designed to relieve pressure on the legs and promote blood circulation. The footstools arrive fully assembled and are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With a weight capacity of 5 pounds, they are perfect for lounging and provide extra seating for friends. Number 2. Best Choice Products Set of 2 Wicker Ottomans. Enhance your outdoor seating area with the BCP Wicker Ottomans. These durable and comfortable ottomans are made with wicker material woven over a sturdy steel frame. With adjustable leg levelers, they can be easily stabilized on uneven surfaces. The set of 2 ottomans provides additional seating, allowing you and your guests to lounge and enjoy conversation comfortably. The versatile design allows you to remove the cushions and use each ottoman as a flat surface, perfect for placing food, beverages, or reading materials. The cushions are removable and have machine-washable covers, making them weather-resistant and easy to clean. When not in use, simply tuck the cushions underneath the support bars for convenient storage. With an overall dimension of 19.75 inch L x 15.75 W x 15.5 H and a weight capacity of 265 pounds each, these ottomans are a practical and stylish addition to your patio or backyard. Number 3. Locat's Home Outdoor Ottoman Patio Footstools Small Seat Furniture. The Locat's Home Outdoor Ottoman is a stylish and comfortable addition to any patio, porch, or garden. It features a sturdy frame made of powder-coated steel and comes with a thick and comfortable cushion with a zipper for easy cleaning. It is easy to assemble and can hold up to 200 pounds. Customers love the comfort and style of this ottoman and appreciate its durability and easy assembly. Number 4. Yida Home Set of 2 Wicker Ottomans. Enhance your outdoor seating area with the Yida Home Wicker Ottoman. This set of 2 ottomans not only provides additional seating but also offers hidden storage. Simply open up the top to create extra storage space for your outdoor essentials. The durable structure of these ottomans ensures a sturdy and stable seating experience, thanks to the added fixed tubing inside. The ottomans come with comfortable cushions that are easy to remove and feature waterproof, zippered covers. Assembly is a breeze with all the parts included. With a Yida Home Wicker Ottoman, you can enjoy your garden, patio, porch, lawn, or poolside with added convenience and style. Number 5. Birdrock Home Outdoor Poof Ottoman. The Birdrock Home Outdoor Poof Ottoman is a versatile and beautiful choice for your backyard patio or indoor living room. Its oversized top provides ample sitting space for adults or kids, making it a perfect spare seat. The durable polymer material allows for continuous use indoors or outdoors, and its water-resistant design makes it ideal for both the living room and outdoor patio. The lightweight fabric and bead filling make it easy to move, while still providing sturdy and comfortable seating. Each poof is hand-knitted by skilled artisans, ensuring a unique and high-quality footstool. With its stylish design and durable construction, this poof ottoman will be a comfortable and long-lasting addition to your home or outdoor space.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.